Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner's Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner's Ron. I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning so far, guys. We destroyed the morning for London session. We had GU, EU, Nasdaq, all sells. Easily ran over 35 to 50 pips for each. I personally hit my goals, all right, on 2 trades, EU and Nasdaq. Okay, I don't need to really trade for the rest of the day, guys, so I'm going to tell you I'm going to be doing $1 and $2 lot sizes, small, okay? We're going to trade during this news, okay? So take a look, 8 a.m., guys. We have a ton of GBPUSD news, all right? And then 30 minutes later, we have a ton of, I would say, USD news. And then we have 9:30, okay? And then we have 10 a.m., all right, guys? So we are jam-packed today. If you guys are not familiar with this news, sit back and relax and see how this day turns out, scalping on the 5-minute time frame. All right. Now, make sure to check the description box, guys. We're not a buy or sell channel here. We are here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. Try not to risk more than 1%. All right. Anything can happen during this volatile time, especially during news. All right. Remember, we're not financial advisors. We're here for you, doing some charting, chilling. You guys get the picture. All right. Now, our recommended brokers, guys, AAAFX. Please make sure to head over, take a look at AAA, all right, and HankoTrade. 2 very good brokers, okay? Definitely offer different situations depending on where you're at in the world, okay? And if you're not sure or you're not 100% confident in it, download a demo account, fill out the link, and then go from there, okay? JVD, AAAFX, and HankoTrade, all right? And also, guys, our recommended liquidity platform is Bookmap, okay? Starting next week, I'm thinking about putting Bookmap on live on the screen for you guys so you can see live order flow All right, we had a lot of requests personally for this, so I think I'm going to bring it back. All right, I was doing it before. Some people got really confused on it, but again, I think it is important to learn this type of trading and apply it to what we're looking for our entries. All right. Also, guys, we are going to take a look at your recommended prop firm, which is my Forex funds. Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off. I'm pretty sure we're all familiar with MFF. Okay. So, guys, the main focus right here, all right, you can see is GBPUSD at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, that is in 25 minutes. So I'm going to take a watch at GBPUSD, gold, and look at Nasdaq as well. Okay. So let's head over here. Every time we drop a folder, guys, we'll watch the news, watch the candles, then we'll come back here and take a look at the next folder that we have coming. Okay. So right now, you can see we have Nasdaq on the hourly here. I'm going to take a quick peek at the DXY. All right. Guys, if you traded FOMC yesterday, let me know how it went. All right. There's a... I posted some stuff on the Free FX group. We had a massive gold buy yesterday that was sent. Ran for about $25, $25 to $27, which is 250 to 270 pips. All right. In the sniper room, they destroyed US 30. Okay, caught the buys, and you know, we didn't catch the sells. The call was ended, but after, guys, it took a huge dump. All right, huge, leading into, you know, that 5 p.m. Eastern Standard close time. All right, so the markets pumped and they dumped. I told you guys this is going to be very, very, very volatile time when you're trading FOMC. All right, so that's nor here nor there. Let's focus on what we have right now. You see the hourly. Okay, I can see some hourly support and resistance on the dollar. All right, roughly 102. Okay, that's at the nice support level. We'll go 5-0. Okay, and we will go, this is our 1 hour higher time frame support. Okay. All right, and then we will go, I'm going to use this area as a short resistance here. Okay, and then I'm going to use this as a bullish TP to fill that big red candle to the left. Okay, so 1 hour time frame resistance, 1 hour time frame support. All right, I see another level here. We're going to get that on the 15. We're going to drop this down just a tad. I would like to get support base. Okay, I do see some resistance just starting to come in. I have some support here on the 15, and then I have some resistance right in here. Massive is an understatement for a gold buy. I know, guys, it was crazy. Yeah, man. I had a very nice day yesterday, all right? And, you know, I know the snipers did too. So, okay, so right now you can see here the dollar's just, you know, nice 15-minute support. We'll mark, and then we'll go 15-minute resistance right above. All right. Guys, did anyone hit up the gym this morning? I'm not too sure if maybe you guys did. It's a little early. Did anyone hit up the gym? If it's nighttime where you are, I was there again at 4:15 today. I couldn't sleep, and you know how that goes. I have like insomnia, guys. I'm telling you right now. So I see some nice consolidation here. You just came back from the gym. Awesome, guys. Okay, and we'll go from here. Get the border out of there. I'm going to put a little one in. Just a little one so you guys can see it. Okay, good. Visibility is looking solid. So we'll leave it like that. Okay. We're going to set some alarms here, guys. All right. This is on the 5-minute. So we are in that trap and gap. All right. So guys, let's take a peek over at our gold here. Gold is horrible. We didn't do anything on gold this morning, guys. You can see the consolidation. All right. Gold tends to happen like this. If you guys see here on the lower time frame, okay, there's a bit of a sell here, drop down, nice sell scalp here that ever since we've been consolidated. If I look at this on the 3, okay, had a nice buy, okay, down in here, and then you can see nice turn back, and ever since then we've been just consolidated for gold. Okay, so gold will be a probable nice move around 830. Okay, I'm going to quickly look at GBPUSD. All right, because we have that news in a little bit. So I'm going to move that up, move down, NAS, and start to move these up here so we can be very close to our dollar. Let's take a look at GU first. Okay, guys, we've been in sells this morning. We had a nice sell opportunity here. Let me get the number. I forget exactly what it was. I didn't take GU though. I took EU and I ran it for 20 pips. Let's take a peek at GBPUSD here. So we had the 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. 1.23230. Okay, that was our sell this morning. Okay, on GBPUSD, and you can see we're still breaking down. All right, if this continues to fall, guys, we have a lower wick on GU. We can get back down all the way to, I would say, 22700. All right, it's all dependent on this news coming in. Okay. So one sec here. Let's go from the top down real quick. Are you guys wanting to watch GBPUSD or would you like to watch something else? You guys let me know. It doesn't really matter 100% to me. I personally always love GU. Okay. So to the left, guys, we can see here some nice tall wicks. All right, this is on the daily. And then I have some daily support just below here. Okay, guys, perfect. Some daily support. Some daily resistance. Go to the 4-hour real quick. And this is the partial 4-hour candle that we have had the sell in. We're going to bring that down just a little bit, 2, 3, 400. Drop that down to that top wick. Okay. And then we're going to use the 4-hour resistance. Okay, and we got some support just starting to hold right at those 2 wicks on the 4-hour as well. 4-hour support. Okay, so pretty straightforward here. All right, so remember, just keep in mind, nice selling area to the left. All right. And then you can see we had some buyers stepping in anywhere below here. This is on the higher time frame, okay? So right now we're getting some hourly support starting to hold. If you look to the left on GU, there's your resistance. Okay, so some 1-hour higher time frame resistance, very similar to the DXY. Then we're going to take a peek at our 15-minute here. All right, so you see the tumble of GBPUSD, higher time frame supply zone, okay, right in here. Nice impulsive move, rejected at the daily. Nice engulfing candlestick on GU, breakdown, retest the 4-hour, and then you can see have your continuation here. All right, so on the 15-minute, not going to do too much. Okay, we're just watching this general area right in here. I'm going to maybe mark the 4-bar play resistance right there. Okay, so I'll add that up as some 15-minute resistance. And if we break down, guys, like I said, GU can get to that 22, maybe 500 if we continue to break the daily, but 227 is definitely not far off from GBPUSD territory. Okay, so let's take a look. And you can see what we're starting to form on the 5-minute here. So take this general area into account on the daily as some buying areas. Okay, and you can see we're starting to step in right here as well. Okay, to the left. And guys, in about 15 minutes, this news is going to be dropping here. Okay, so GU is getting some nice level support. All right. And current time, guys, is, there we go, 7:47. All right, let's take a look. Gold's still ranging here. We're going to look at gold around 8:30, guys. Okay, I do have a feeling that gold will move with GBPUSD, but that 8:30 time frame is what we're going to focus on for gold. All right, and then let's check out that dollar here. Starting to rise. Did anyone watch the FOMC statement yesterday when Powell said all the banks were fine? And then all of a sudden they launched this thing about Coinbase, or sorry, Binance, or one of the two, about them getting involved with SEC and stuff like that. Like, it's crazy to see when you have banks failing, crypto, gold pumping, okay, right? Everything on crypto is fine. Everything on crypto is fine, right? And then all of a sudden you get Mr. Powell saying that all the banks are fine, and then they release horrible news about crypto. Just keep in mind how the manipulated media tends to take a huge impact into what we're doing here. All right. If you really think the banks are okay, then why the hell did everything sell off as soon as he ended his call? All right. I personally think that this is all a hoax. He lied about GDPs and U.S. being in recession. All right. I think he is full of shit, and I'm not afraid to really say it. All right. The attack on BTC is happening because they can't control it. They have no way of governing it, and that's why they tend to always attack something, because they can't get their hands on it. Mr. Powell can't add another 100K on his salary because he can't tax Bitcoin, right? So I think it's very funny. All right, let's take a look and see if we can find an article on this Gumby here. Financial conditions are lightening after SVB collapse could slow the economy, Powell says. Let's just stay. Fed hike rates, benchmark interest rates by 0.25% point on Wednesday, but its projection called for just one more hike over the rest of the year. That's probably full of shit too. Central bank chief, tightened financial conditions cause more strict lending decisions from banks. So you can watch the housing market start to fall even more because they're not lending any more mortgages. You know what I mean? This guy's so ugly, man. I can't even look at him. Wednesday, the U.S. banking sector is strong. There we go. And that the recent failure of some regional banks could cause a ripple effect and slow down the economy. I think what they're doing is they're trying to liquidate all the small banks, okay? And they're trying to get all the bigger banks to buy them up, all right? When the bigger banks buy them up, they have control of the whole system, all right? And you can see Credit Suisse, dealing with a lot of rich people, a lot of hidden money there apparently. But, I do think that they are trying to govern things just like Rogers and Bell in Canada. If you guys are from Canada, all right, you understand that, there's Virgin Mobile, there's a bunch of other small ones, but they don't have the power that the big ones do. And so, You get caught in zones that are horrible. You can't use self-service, so you're forced to kind of use the big players, right? So anyways, guys, I just wanted to quickly talk about that. Again, I think this guy is so ugly. I don't think he should be in-house just because of that. He definitely has the ability to really piss people off. Okay, and just the amount of lies that I think he is telling us is unbelievable. Like he downplayed, and so did Biden, a recession that, you know, logically back-to-back GDP sectors, it just makes no sense. So whether you guys understand what I'm talking about or not, it's just economics, all right? And you know, that's some of my favorite topics to talk about. I don't always really dive in to this type of stuff, but when you have FOMC events, guys, you have to talk about it, all right? You know, you have to be aware, and you have to watch and see where price is price is going. If you're a trader, if you're just a normal person, you will not care. You know what I mean? If you're just a normal guy going to work 9 to 5, you're just gonna not even probably listen to this. You're just gonna see your taxes and all the inflation go up, and you're gonna get pissed off, but you don't really know. That's why learning about where the money goes, where the money works in the world, it'll definitely make you see how messed up the system really is. And you know, some people really love the guy. All right. Personally, I just think that he's a liar. That's all I gotta say. So, guys, if you like talking about this stuff, if you like talking about, you know, news and Powell and all of this type of micro macroeconomics, just smash the like on the stream, guys. If I know that this is stuff you like to talk about, I can prepare stuff every single day to talk about, and we can all have a good conversation and get into some trades as well. All right. Guys, so we got about 5 minutes, okay, until that 8 o'clock news. For the people just tuning in here, all right, Forex Factory is the name of the game. And you can see we have GDP 8 o'clock news. Okay. So I'm going to actually just remove this. With the range we're currently trading in, guys, before big news event is roughly about 20 pips. Okay. You can see, let's take a look on the daily real quick. How are we looking here? Okay. Just taking a look. Okay, so if we do break here, guys, we can start to rise on GBPUSD. All right. If we break down, you can see the resistance supply. Price is going to fall. I would say back down to our 227 and maybe 225. So for the first few minutes, guys, all right, sit back and relax. See if we got anything on GBPUSD here. Okay, they're saying for a buy. All right, let's see how this is going to play out. Guys, remember, this is news too, okay? So everything can go completely out the window. All right, there's about 5 minutes left. Let's watch right before news. Guys, for tomorrow, okay, we might change up the session a little bit. We'll let you know in the Discord, obviously, guys. But for everyone else, the free Telegram group, okay, make sure to follow along in there. All right, we'll make some updates. Okay, and also guys, if we do change any schedules here, please guys, if you're not entering during news, that's okay. I just want to see how this volume is going to play out. Just follow us on Instagram. Okay, you can see 7131. We post all of our updates on this generally because it's broader, it's easier to get involved with, and same with our free FX. Okay, we do have a Discord group as well. You can check that out. It's free. We're not doing much with it right now, but like I said, very shortly you will start to see more being posted in there, just some updates, some live videos, recaps, different things like that. This is our server rating here, so name and email, and then you're good to go. Okay. The only reason why we need an email is because we need to connect a name and Discord ID to the email. All right. People scam and do whatever it is. We need to know who you are. That's just a fact. Okay. All right. So GU you can already see is making a run. So there's 3 minutes here, guys, right off the bat, right before GBPUSD even starts news. You can see the volume is very strong here. There's two volume-based candles holding support at that 22900. Okay, and this is the type of signal that you would get with the SST Scalper Pro. This is literally that Pro indicator. So right away, okay, remember, this is prior to news. So news can push it and then just smash this back down. It can flip the book, no problem. I don't have Bookmap up right now, all right, on GBPUSD. I'll load it up for 8:30 news so we can watch gold and Nasdaq and things like that. But for GU, guys, I'm literally just seeing how this is going to work, and we will go on this pair till about 8:10 just to see how the news kind of follows through with GBPUSD. All right. What do you guys think? Do you guys think they're going to save GU? Are they going to make the dollar move? Let's take a look. Goldie's starting to prime too. Take a look at the dollar here, guys. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Still holding that consolidative path. Getting ready to go. All right. Let's look at the dollar on the hourly. All right. This is going to be a new hourly candle. And you can see what's happening here. There is a bit of a gap on the DXY, so maybe today, maybe tomorrow, eventually they will fill that. But again, it doesn't happen all the time. What I can see, price is dropping back down, testing our 15-minute support. All right, you can see there's a long opportunity to get back down to that 101.900, which is the low bottom wick here. Okay. And you can see right on GU happening just before the news. Okay, and there's about 1 minute and 21 seconds here. So if you guys are trading news and you guys are in buys, okay, make sure you have your stop loss about 20-25 pips. I told you personally today I'm not doing large lot size. I've hit my goals. All right, we literally traded GU, EU, and Nasdaq. 3 trades. I took 20 pips on EU, and it's good to go. All right, so we're just going to watch and see how everything is going to play out after this new hourly and 8 a.m. GU news. All right. All right. And remember, we were in sells from this morning on GU. Okay, short term, possibly looking for this pullback here. All right. Joel, I've had more coffee in the last hour than you probably had in 2 days. And caffeine. Okay. So you can see GU started to flip. News started to hold. Let's see here. Ooh. Volume, guys. Right away, you can see volume here. All right, so we're coming to a nice area, the 4 hour. This breaks here, guys. This thing is flying probably back to our 23400. Okay, and remember, if you guys did end up taking a long position, that was it right there. I can personally show you that I'm running 20 pips on that trade. And if you guys are still holding, start to work it and move your stop loss to break even and see how price is moving. But this is the type of move, guys, that presented itself. Nice volume base, and you can see right off the bat, nice push, rejection coming in. All right, don't get greedy. We're at a sell level here to the left, guys. Take a peek, the resistance. Okay, we need more volume to step in to actually break this down. Guys, did anyone actually take that trade? Some people may just sit back and watch, and that's okay. But again, if you guys did end up taking something like that, you can see it's got to be quick, because news is about to get volatile. And we'll go take a peek at it in a second here. I think they can cook to sell here, which means get some rejection, and they can push price of GU back down. This happened yesterday on gold, if you remember, and sorry, not gold, but Dow and Nasdaq. Right on news, nice impulsive pushes. Okay, beautiful moves coming in. Took about 30 minutes, and then all of a sudden, price dropped, and that's when you got your Dow, Nasdaq, SP 500 sell. Okay. So remember, it doesn't always long live last. All right, quick pip and dip, and you can see to the left, guys, we have some selling pressure at the exact same wick level here. All right, so that's a big FU candle. Give it some time. We're going to see if it's going to fill. He took the trade mentally. I still believe that GU is can continue bearish. This could be a stop loss raid before they dump it down like a big FU candle. We've seen this before. All right. You can see the type of move here compared to here. Very similar in structure. All right. So we're going to see now, is that going to flip and continue on the downside? Isaac, we just want to give you as many trades as we can before, because there is some false signals at times. You need to really learn how, you need to know how to trade it. Okay. If not, it's not the W win like you think it is. There's definitely some head fake movements here. Nasdaq is dropping, guys. I did tell you that I was in some Nasdaq sells. All right. And I told you in the Discord to hold your sells. Okay. So now look, guys, here we go. Let's look at the hourly. Nice resistance here. Take a look. That same wick. Okay. Nice rejection. Absolutely. That's like it's like a carpenter. Exactly it, my man. So take a peek. Now the news releases. Okay. We're starting to see some influx. And then look at the first rejection coming back. So this is the time where, let's go take a look at, members, I'm running 15 pips on Nasdaq. I'm going to secure both of these trades. Okay. All right. If you guys are still holding Nas like from this morning, all right, as mentioned, please monitor the trade accordingly. I've secured. Okay, personally. Okay, so here's the hourly now. Okay, if this breaks, guys, we can fly back to fill this wick. All right, if this rejection happens, I want to show you something here. Okay, Remember how we talked about structure. Okay, see this level right here? If it gets rejected, okay, here's support level. We break right in here. Here's that volume break. Okay, so push, break down, finding some support. All right, if we break through the supply, this area right in here, this big red box, you're going to start to see this wick fill back to the top. Okay, if we get rejected right at the high zone at the top, we're going to see price push right back down. Okay, make a new low. All right, we're right at that point, guys. This thing pushes. We're going to get some more probable follow through. Big stop loss. Yeah, guys, don't remember, news is very erratic. Okay, and if you guys are trading, you do have to use small lot sizes. All right, and you might have to use a larger stop loss. Okay, but you balance it out. You're not doing large lot size and large stop loss. That doesn't work. Okay, you're gonna have to go towards the account. Small, you can do larger lot stop loss. You do higher lot, you have to do a tighter stop loss. Okay, so here we go again. Remember we talked about this. Let's see how this is going to roll. And then, guys, right after this news, all right, literally in 25 minutes, okay, we have 830 unemployment claims. All right, this is a red folder. So GU made some nice moves, guys. Let's take a look at the dollar here. All right, we haven't really moved off of this. The dollar really didn't do anything. Okay, dollar really didn't do anything. All right, just kind of still consolidated. All right, you can see GU had the bigger move. Let's take one quick peek at maybe euro. Really nothing as well. Okay, gold had nothing, so really only GU had the big move, and you can start to see what's starting to come from it. All right, but now let's go take a quick look. I do have some news updates here, and let's go to our Forex factory. Okay, so the UK interest rate was positive 4.25. Okay, the expected was 4.25 and the previous was 4. All right. And then you can see, Dave, can we do something about the delay? Yeah, we have a Zoom room that's full on in real time if you want to join. Okay. The vote hike you can see was actual 7 to 9. 7 to 9 was previous. Okay. And then the vote unchanged was 2 to 9 and 2 to 9. All right. So this is on the Forex fundamental. BOE vote 7 to 2 to raise interest rates by 25 basis points up to 4.25. So 2 voters voted for unchanged. Okay. All right. So that's interesting. And this is why you can see you're getting a little bit of a delay here. All right. So okay, so I'm still running 10 pips on this. I secured some, still running a little bit of just the retracement here. Okay, and guys, we're going to come to our first 15-minute candle on the hourly. All right, let's set some alarms. all right, from high to low. And we're going to see how price is going to rise. And look at gold, untouched. Okay, there's the dollar starting to drop. So if we break here, guys, we can come back down to easily 102,300, 102.25, right? So remember, this is an area up here where we have nice selling pressure. It's been shown before and in previous structure too. Okay, so we need to mark that up. We need to be known that it is some 4-hour resistance. Okay, you can see to the left where we're coming to, a lot of weak volume was in here. Okay, we've definitely got past this 3-bar play, found the support. And if we can get past this garbage, all right, you can see the resistance here and this noise, then we can start to fill this wick and maybe make a new higher high. Okay, so let's watch and see. But again, some profit taking would be in and around this area right in here. Okay, if you guys caught it, secure maybe 70%, 75%, leave a little bit of a runner. Okay, and then go from there. And you see what I'm saying here? Nice resistance is coming in. Wait for this candle to close. There's still 2 minutes. The last minute of this candle is going to be the battle. All right. Finally had 6 hours straight sleep. Lucky, man. I don't even know what 6 hours straight is. Okay. Guys, did anyone ended up holding or taking some profit here? Did anyone ended up doing anything on GBPUSD? If you did, guys, congratulations. If you didn't, that's okay. I'm personally going to secure, just because we have that news, I'm going to secure with 17 pips here. Okay. 22992. So my stop loss is at break even. Right now I'm securing just because there is some heavy supply up here at 18 pips, turning to 17 right now. Okay. I'll take a screenshot and show you. If you guys got it, congratulations, guys. You know, smash the like on the stream. That is the SST Scalper Pro. Okay, that is the type of signals that we gave yesterday on gold and on, oh my goodness, Dow, Nasdaq, and today GU, EU, and NAS. So still waiting for a good entry. It does get frozen during news too. I hope you're not waiting for me to tell you when to buy and sell, because there's literally a buy button right there. Okay, so here's your first 15-minute candle, guys. Remember, this is where we had some huge rejection coming in. Price is still going, all right? A lot of volume here. This is looking very volumized, okay? I secured at 17 pips. If this is still running, remember, move your stop loss to maybe some break even, okay? And if you're still holding, like I said, you can show your stop, all right? Generally, okay, a lot of you guys are sitting back during news, and that's completely understandable. It's a time of indecision, okay, and especially when you have multiple red folders, all right, you can sit back and relax and then maybe catch the retracement. The retracement was this right here, okay? See that big wick buying opportunity? Fantastic, okay? Came back, held the area right there. You can see that volume control held, okay, and then you get your walk back up. So if your entry wasn't on news, okay, you could have entered right in here, second candle, okay, and with the support level that started to hold, okay, that is your automatic entry point. All right, so let's erase this. Let's see how this is going to rise. And there it goes. And remember, we showed you on the higher time frame, guys. Look at the daily here. Sorry, that might have been the 4 hour. Nope. Where was it? The hourly? Yes. Making higher highs and higher lows. Okay. See how it came to a level of support? Hourly started to rise. We're starting to test now the top wicks. Okay. So beautiful continuation from the bottom. All right. And if we do break here, guys, we can get all the way back up to the daily. And this thing is flying. So there's your 4 hour resistance coming in. Guys, I'm literally watching 3 other groups right now that are just blowing accounts up. They had GU sells down there and they're saying sell, sell, sell. 2 of them. Hopefully they did nice lot sizes where they couldn't and can hold and draw down. All right, so let's head over. We've got about 10 minutes here. GU, look at, there it goes. There it goes, guys. Right back down to our 15-minute. Gold is not doing anything right now, which is surprising. It's probably waiting for this 8:30 news. Okay, and this is probably still rising here. Gold is dropping down. GU is flying. Okay, and we're just going to probably watch this until maybe 25. All right. Oof, guys, filled that wick. Did not expect that. So I left 15 pips on the table here. Easy. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing go, guys. Wow. Oof. Easily left pips on the table here. Look at that go. My goodness. How many pips did that run on the breakout, guys? That's crazy. Gold, we'll go take a look. About, oh my goodness, 30. Wow. So we caught the GU sell, guys, and we caught the buy. This is so good, guys. So good. Dollar's tanking. There it goes, guys. Look at Goldie. There goes your dollar. All right. Look at this thing flow. All right, here we go. Goes there. I don't know. Sell on the daily, it might be. We're coming up to a heavy supply area for sure. Near that daily. So we'll take a peek here. We've already broken through our previous sell level. Okay. All right, so if we talk about the highs and lows, here we go right in here. So if GU wants to reject, come back down. We can probably get back at least, if we can get through this consolidation structure, all right, I would say at least maybe back to our entry point right around in here. Okay. I personally, because of the volume here, can see them push, you know, but we got to see the break. This thing looks very, very strong. Look at what we have here. Nice ascending, all right? And this is the level here, even if you drag this to the left. Okay, take a peek. Big rejection, 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 okay? And this is ascending here, so still looking solid. The selling level was right around in here on the 4 hour. Okay, that was your first wick down. Okay, a little bit above supply. Sorry, a little bit above is supply. All right, so watch this 4 hour resistance break. Okay, if it does tend to hold, you'll start to see something like this rejection. They'll maybe get some support and they can walk back up. If they break below here, okay, you can see the retest is going to start to have the fall. Gold, guys, yeah, we'll go take a look at gold now, okay? Let's go take a peek. Gold's getting ready, guys. So we haven't done a top down on gold, we just did it on GBPUSD. Have some selling opportunities here, it still looks strong. We can go from the daily real quick. So remember the daily, guys. We've been walking through this every single day. Okay, here's the pump, here's the retest, there's the hold from all to the left. Okay, now we have the volume to step back in to maybe push it right back to 2010. Okay, there's your break retest for the confirmation. Look at all this blue here. Okay, all this blue. I'm hesitant on selling gold. Just for the sheer reason of this bullish momentum here, all right? But let's regardless take a look at our hourly. you can see where we're starting to form here. Okay, so I see some nice hourly support. Hourly resistance is to the left. Let's go to the 15. And this is the zone we're working in here. Okay, so see resistance, they broke, controlled engulfing candlestick on support, started to rise, and now they're starting to hold generally in this area here. So let's get ready, guys. 5 minutes is coming in. So we had some selling areas around here. Okay, rejection. And there's about 3 minutes left here, okay? I can see gold has a nice supply area right at the top. And if we do break this 1975 level, this thing is going to fall, okay? Judging by the shorts, we're going to take a peek anywhere around in here at this and see how price is going to rise and act before news. Okay, again, I just want to see how this news is going to play out. There's about 2 minutes left here, and they can push us right before. All right. GU got a big wick down as well. Okay, so just keep this in mind. On the 15-minute, it does look like a nice inverse head and shoulder pattern here. So see if we break there. If we hold support, okay, we can start to walk possibly to the upside. So let's just watch and see how the gold is going to move. I'm not going to take gold, guys. I've done GU today. I'm just going to sit back and watch this gold trade. Okay, I just would like to see the news. This is unemployment. This does have a lot of high volume impact. Okay, GU was nice to us. All right, but gold, you can see that if it does break here, guys, this thing can fall back down to maybe 75, 72 area, which is just previous level support. Okay, right around in here, there's nice. And if we do hold, guys, we're going to come back to see this volume right here, all that wick support. We can hold and start to rise to the upside on gold, probably tapping into our supply. Okay, so I like to wait personally for the first 5-10 minutes, and then we will watch the continuation or retracement. And there's just about 38 seconds, under 40 seconds to go. All right, guys, here we go. Let this news kick in, guys. It is red folder, okay? High volume news, all right? So see they're building the support. Nothing broke just yet. Let's watch. Okay, don't really have an update just yet. Should be coming in very soon. And let's take a look at what we got going on. Okay, so unemployment, you can see the forecast. Okay, the actual was Chicago Fed National was 0.19 negative, and the previous was 0.23. We'll get the update rate and round for the unemployment claims very shortly. Okay. I really wish. Job, okay, so down actual 191, previous 192. I personally wish I took this sell, okay? But I'm not going to jump in now. We missed it. And let's take a look at GBPUSD. There, there it goes, guys. Tap supply, breaking down here. Remember I told you closes below the 4 hour, this thing is going to drop right back to the 1 hour. There it goes. There goes gold. Do I think gold could hit 2,000? I do think it could hit 2,000. We just got to see the news that's going to get it there. I personally do wish I took this sell, but what are you going to do, right? You know, a lot of people were buying gold, right? I saw about 5-6 people say they're buying gold. Okay, don't look for buys until we get into this area right in here. This is the buying zone. It's near the, see the one previous resistance, now support. So, but again, guys, you can see starting to sell. And if you want to see if you guys did take this, right? Take a look at the short. Have your stop loss right up here, exactly how we had it before, breaking down to potentially maybe 72 or even back down to 75 right in that area. Okay. So remember we talked about this is demand. Let's watch and see. Still about a minute and 23 left. Okay, so you can see we are in tap of that 74, 75 level, previous level wick support. Okay. And guys, the reason why I did not look at taking gold, okay, my spreads jumped quite significantly right before this, and I would have been filled at a really shitty position, okay, like a really shitty position here. So if you guys took the sells though, congratulations. You know what I mean? I did mention that it looked nice and promising here. I still think that we can drop down for some sells. There's a lot of volume to get below, okay, and they had a nice little push retracement coming in here. So this looks like it could be potentially zone to zone. Haroon Gent, can I have $50 so I can get started? Unfortunately, no. Okay, the best thing I can tell you is maybe go get a job. All right, work a little bit, then fun, just like how everyone else has to start. Okay. Reset, yeah, I know. I'm like leather skin now, man. If I got roasted in front of 2 million people, I wouldn't even care now. You know what I mean? I'm just like, the skin is leather and I don't even tan. I do trade with HankoTrade. Yes, I also have another account. Haroon, let me ask you a question. If someone asked you for $50, would you give them $50? Not knowing them at all? Maybe they could go buy drugs with it, something to go hurt someone, you know? So, that's not my cup of tea. The short target of gold, I would definitely get it right back down into here, like for your TP, if you grab the sell. Okay, if this thing does break, like I said, we can get all the way back down to, I would assume, probably 1970. And there goes the fall on gold, guys. Okay, if this thing wants to continue, remember, this is in demand. We have to break here for the continuation. All right, if it wants to fly, watch 1970. See, to the left, guys. This is what we're digging in here now, okay? Remember we told you this was the beautiful sell right up in here. Okay, if you caught it, you're running. All right, now we're looking for the break of this continuation structure here. And see the volume it took to break down a previous demand level? See how price bounced? Look at the volume it takes to break something like that. Okay? And guys, take a look. If you guys think that we're here to mess around, only reason why I'm looking for the sells here and here, you can see, okay? This thing is going down to probably Australia. We'll see. The land down under. Rob Mack is going to be swimming in gold soon. Guys, one thing, we did really well on EU this morning, okay? But in the indices section, Scotty posted a really good post on really low lot sizes. Like, we're talking micro lots. And it actually, you could trade on a $100 account and you could have made about maybe 10, 15, 20 bucks. Guys, that is the style of trading that we're trying to tell you about. Okay, if you have a low lot size, you can ride the waves down, adding at the selling positions. Okay, Anthony, let's go take a peek here, bro. There's GU, guys, big sells. Okay, Anthony, watch Nasdaq. Remember I told you I was securing on that? Okay, it's just dancing around. Where's Rob Mack? I won't lie to you. I don't even think he's trading anymore. He pipped and dipped on GU this morning. Pretty good. Like, we had a really good day so far, guys. If you guys took some of these, really good day. Okay, this is now where you can start to secure some of your stuff and profit here. Take a look to the left. You can see the zone we're getting in. All right, now again, you can do one of two things. You can take some profit here. Oh, okay, there it is, right at the base. There it goes. This is the target. Breaking demand, and this thing looks like it's still dropping, guys. They're you're targeting that gap on the DXY, we'll take a look at that in 2 seconds. Now, secure, guys. Take some profit. Okay, don't leave this on the table here. Last thing I want to see you guys to do is to let this piss away. Okay? Remember, if you guys caught this from up here, you guys are still laughing. All right? Laughing. Okay? If you didn't and you started to chase a little bit, you got here, you're okay. And even at here, you just don't want to let this thing retrace back. Big dubs out of that trade, GG. Massive dubs. Hey, I like it, guys. I didn't take this, like I told you. I took the GU1 instead. Guys, let's see the likes here. Okay, good. $174 likes, guys. If you guys took GU or gold, okay, let's smash these likes up to 300 right away. All right, let's smash these likes to 300 right away, guys. If not, like I said, you guys know what we can do. All right, we can do this. We can go private, no problem. YouTubers, let's get this love going here. All right. Okay, guys. Sorry, I was talking to some of the group. Okay, so we did break another volume candle here, guys. Are we going to get back down to our level here, which is going to be previous demand? Five lots, baby. Make it stop. Why? Because half you guys are in buys. How many people are in buys right now? Like, for real. I hope you guys are understanding the point of stop loss. All right, okay, I'm not hearing anything. That should be very, very good. Okay, maybe right now, if you're taking buys now, that's better. But if you guys were buying anywhere up here, I better not be hearing anyone saying I'm still in buys. Okay, for real. If you are, you know, those 6 people on YouTube that I counted, right? Hopefully you guys are managing your risk properly. Buy, hit your stop loss. Okay, that's good. I'm telling you, it's better to do that than to let this ride. Okay, so let's take a look here. There goes your DXY, guys. Look at this. Okay, look at the support. Wow, look at that. Okay, so let's dissect here. People wanted to ask about the DXY, all right? Take a look, okay? Right in here. All right. I know this is easy to do after the fact, right? After the fact. But again, if you guys can pick up some pieces from what I'm trying to mention to you, all right? Do you see how this volume candle broke through? Okay, that's the first significant candle since the 2-bar play at the bottom, okay? Broke through nice 15-minute resistance. You see how they're holding here? Okay? They've now built the base. They've built a foundation, okay? The support, all right? You can call it smart money concepts, whatever it is. Like, what do they call it here? I screenshotted something that I know a lot of people will resonate with. Give me 1 second. I think it is called BSL SSL. Buy side, sell side liquidity. It's bullshit. It's just support and resistance. People are trying to make this the greatest thing since sliced bread by giving it a new term. No, same thing, support and resistance. Okay, so some support here into consolidation, dip back down. Okay, this area, guys, if you guys were trading by yourself, okay, this is where you could have had a support level. All right, why? Look at the volume break. Okay, look at the support that you had here. This is why on news you see this big gap down below. See how the wick held previous level resistance. Then you opened up nice and bullish coming in at 825, 830, holding 3-bar play, started to push. Okay, break here, consolidation, continuation, consolidation, retest, demand, buy is sitting there. Okay, take a look. We still haven't filled that gap to the left yet. When that fills, you'll start to see this gold really sell off here, okay? They're not letting it break above yet. You can see the nice resistance here. They haven't targeted it yet. So there goes gold. I think gold is still going to drop, guys. Personally, I still think this thing is still going to drop. Okay? We'll have to... Oh, sorry, guys. Stupid thing. If we can drop below here, okay? Waiting for a GBP signal. I love it. If we drop here, guys, like I said, we can probably get back down to our 1960, okay? But we have to break this key level zone here. Okay, you see that's a lot of demand. We might get a pullback. All right. But if this thing breaks, we're coming to at least 1960 here, guys. There goes GU. There goes GU right there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So remember, selling out of supply here. So I told you if it broke below the 4 hour, okay, this thing is gone. All right. And take a peek. This thing is going to continue to drop, guys. I would say until our daily. There it goes. I would say into our daily 22700 will be the target. And then if we break down even further, guys, 22500. $252 likes, guys. All right. I guess you guys don't like what we have to offer here. Let's smash those 300s. If you guys don't and you guys want to go check out another stream, be my guest. You're going to get a lot of talking. Okay, you will not get anyone scalping this like we do. So let's get them up here. If you guys want to see one more coming in for 9:30, if you guys want me to trade market open for you with a nice little signal, remember US 30 yesterday, smash these likes up to 300, okay? And let's go take a look at GBPUSD. There it goes. Wow, guys, let's go. There it goes. Here's the retest on the demand. Okay. If we don't break, okay, this is one thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, I mentioned to you, if we break here, this can drop. This is like selling the lows. Remember we talk about this, selling the lows, buying the highs. You want to stay away from it. The volume and momentum. Sir, can I at least have $50, please, so I can start trading? Again, bro, go get a job, okay? Take some time, learn how to trade, okay? Because I guarantee it, even if anyone gave you $50, you would blow it in one trade. Okay? And that's not being rude, because if you have to ask us to trade and get money, you clearly don't know how to trade. All right, and it's not bad. Like, I'm just saying, being real with you. If you guys want fabrications and, you know, me not being honest with you, then go be another stream, someone who's gonna like, pat your back. If you guys want real talk here, go get a job, save up some money so you can fund your account, invest in some education. Okay, let me tell you something right now. I know for a fact that you probably have cash because you have internet, right? At least you have a cell phone or you have a computer or something like that. So make sure to go get a job, come back, get some education, and then we can start to trade. Okay? So DXY, guys, is now still holding that resistance level at that 1025. There it goes, okay? So remember, we don't sell the lows. We didn't break anything below 66. Man, there is some greasy people here, and not on our stream, okay? Man, I can tell you. Do you guys know, okay, that there are groups out there that will not allow you into their like group unless you donate in their broker. Okay? Are you guys familiar with that? Have you guys ever seen that before? They lure you in, okay? I really don't care if you sign up with any kind of broker. It doesn't matter to me. You guys want to trade with us? Let's have fun, okay? The best thing and the worst thing I just saw was I saw someone say let's sell the lows, and they know it's at demand. So do you guys know what that means? Enlighten me if you guys know what that means. You have a group telling you to sell the low. If they know technical analysis, they know not to sell here. If it breaks down below, fantastic. But wait for the pullback at least. Okay? I just want you guys to be careful of that, okay? I want you to be careful. I was trying to be really nice before, but when I start to see stuff like this, just because I get messages all the time, Dave, I was in this group, they told me to do this, and then they sent me these signals selling low and buying high. Well, yeah, of course, because they get paid more commission, right? When you lose a trade. Why is the price holding here? Okay, because if you look to the left, and this is a good question, why is price holding? You see the demand level here? Okay, buyers have stepped in. Okay, take a look. You have an engulfing ignited candle here. Okay, guys, this is a nice example of a quick scalp. Okay, I still think that gold can go bearish personally. Okay, I think it can. All right, but we're gonna have the pullbacks first. All right, take a look. Nice buying volume here in a liquidity zone, and if you look to the left, guys, it's happened more than once. Okay, nice buys here. Okay, and then guys, trading is like a probability game, right? Trading is like a probability game. Is there a high? Let's write this here. Okay, guys, so let's mark this up. Here's your pullback. Okay, remember I told you wait for the pullback. Guys, is there a high probability that in this instance out of demand that you can go bullish from here? Let me know. Is there a high probability that you can go bullish from here? Okay, I didn't have it on here. I did not have the buy. Okay, I didn't have it on here, but I literally watched someone say sell now, sell now, sell now on gold. That's why I just told you about be careful with that. Make sure you learn how to trade on your own. Okay, sell now, sell now. Those people who did their account deposit, now the broker has your cake. If you guys take the time to learn, okay, how to use demand zones, supply zones, break a support, break a resistance, all right, you guys will do fine. If you can learn, honestly, order flow through Bookmap and price action, you guys will be laughing, okay? You don't always need to watch buy and sell. Now you're going to say, Dave, but you have one here too. Absolutely, I do. All this is out of supply and demand, okay? There's a lot of these based out of liquidity, okay? And you can see the liquidity does play out. Nothing was buys here, all right? That would have popped up, but nothing came into play. But you don't always need that, all right? You can always do this on your own. Okay, so let's erase. If you guys caught the gold buys, you guys should be so happy right now. You guys should be so happy because you bought demand. And if you're now at break even, perfect. If you guys sold and you held, you guys are sitting in the doghouse right now because you didn't secure. Okay, and that's nothing wrong, but just keep that in mind. All right. Don't be a bag holder. 15, 20 pips can pay your bills. Right? Now, guys, again, put on the 200 EMA. Okay, I'll check it out. I got my man spamming hard. I like that. That got my attention. Okay, 200 EMA. We are okay. So take a peek here, guys. We broke through the 200 EMA. Here's your demand. Here's your retest. And we're retesting that 200 now. Okay? Guys, it's okay for Benz. He's actually making sense. I should have put this on so you guys could see it. All right? Okay, so now gold. Let's monitor this coming into our, this is 9 a.m. now, okay? 9 a.m. 9 EMA, yeah, we'll take a look at that too, guys. Sorry, I think we broke through it when we got that volume based. Okay, so there it goes right there, all right? So there we go on the 9. Guys, it just started storming right here, okay? You guys know how Canadian internet is. You guys over in, like, I would say Iran probably have better internet than we do. So So just, if it does cut out, guys, I'm sorry, but I think it should be fine. I just wanted to let you know. All right. Warner, yeah, you probably do, man. Okay, so we're understanding here. Demand, guys, let's just can we all be on the same page? Can we please all be on the same page? Buying levels here, we understand demand, okay? Type I understand or type yes, no, something like that, so I get you guys are with me on the same page, okay? Please, I know it sounds stupid, but for the people who are struggling, okay? This is a prime example. You're saying, I want to get into a nice entry here. Okay. Well, we got into a sell based on volume. Okay. And then you guys could have entered in on buys based on demand structure. Okay. So you could have been done on gold today on both sell and buy. All right. I was making a joke. I said Iran has better internet than maybe Canada, because if I showed you guys where my man Ron lives, okay, you should say this guy should have the best internet ever. And it's not the case. So guys, I'm glad you guys are understanding here, okay? Literally, you could have made 3 trades in the total of less than an hour. We started at 7:30, it's now 9, maybe an hour and a half by yourself, all just by doing some top-down analysis, okay? All just by doing top-down analysis. Now you're going to say, Dave, did you take any of these trades? I didn't take gold trades. No, I took GU, okay? And I took EU this morning. I took GJ, and I took 2 NAS cells, okay? I've done my trades for the day, all right? I'm just walking you through, guys, how to get into trades based on momentum and then structure. Sarah, I love it. Okay, so let's go take a look at GU here, guys. I know you guys are asking about this. GU was so beautiful, man. Like, we should have focused on probably GU more. You could have caught the same level sells, okay? Take a peek here, all right? Let's all just talk about this. So we had a sell structure here, okay, on GBPUSD, all right? There was a volume base, SST, sell here, okay? We had the buy here we wrote up, watched during news. They sold right into some supply. And then you can see what happens when you tap supply, guys. Okay, the thing just tumbles down. So on gold and GU today alone, if you guys were trading on your own and you guys are able to spot these levels, okay, you could have easily done 20, 30, 40 pips. Okay. This is nice. I actually just got a nice email right now. Hi, I've been watching your stream now for just over 2 months. I have learned so much. I have taken a small account from 100 plus. Okay, I'm not going to mention that. 100 plus. Okay, and it's grown. I have found your style of trading interesting, but still not confident yet in scalping as a style. That's okay. If you guys are still watching, and this is you, I'm not going to mention your name. Just take some time. You can still trade this type of style on the 15-minute. All right. Please keep it up. So many of us are finding value from your stream. That's good. That's legit. Okay. So guys, what do you want to focus on now? All right. I'm not going to expose the group and the person that told gold to sell here. I'm not going to do that. I would never do that. Okay. But I just need you guys to be very, very careful when you guys are joining groups and you're entering in signals blindly, especially if they're pumping brokers out as their main way of getting into their group. Okay. Please be careful. Okay. All right. Look at the Dow, look at Nasdaq. Anthony, you still should be good so far. Guys, I'm going to take literally a 2-second break here. All right, I got to go to, I'm not going to lie to you, I got to go pee. And then I will be right back. Just watch gold here. Okay, and then I'll come back and we'll do either Nasdaq or the Dow Jones. All right. So give me 2 seconds, guys. We will be right back. Thank you. Man, I'm not going to use a... Guys, if we do a marathon, maybe I'll use a catheter. How about that? You guys know what that even is. What the fuck? You guys think we don't go to the washroom here? Come on now. There we go. DXY here still making no move as of yet. Okay, this is 9:05. Okay, so here's the pullback on the 9 EMA. Okay, let's watch and see how price is going to react. And then we'll get looking at our members. What do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to hit Nasdaq or the Dow Jones? Jeff, how do you do that? Just move your stop loss to break even, bro. That's going to be your best bet. It'll really help you, okay? Just by taking emotion out of it and then let it hit or not. Especially if you're doing gold, the only thing you'll lose is your commission. Amazed by your trading style because I want to do this style of trading only based on support and resistance and supply and demand. Can you share some learning resources? Yeah, you can join our group if you want. No strings attached. Stop using adult straw. You guys kill me here, man. Ugh, I love it. All right, so we'll switch over in about 1 minute here. I just want to see this closure of the candle, 42 seconds. Okay. Guys, I do like this sell coming down here, but again, this is your pullback. Wait for it to get a little bit higher here. I want to see this 200 EMA. You still see it's holding. You can wait for this close. Okay, so here we go, guys. Let's switch over. We'll watch and see here. Is there any group channel apart from this? Yeah, we have our own private Discord, guys. We've hit GU, EU, and Nasdaq all sells this morning. And we have a live Discord where we go multiple sessions. I'm just going to do this. I literally have had a few people message. So let me just go over this real quick, guys. And if you drop off YouTube, it doesn't matter to me. You guys can go find someone else to help you guys out, right? Half you guys and half them really come back, and I see them when they comment. So here, guys, you can see here the group. We go live. 5 Londons, 5 New Yorks, 5 post New Yorks, a couple weekly webinars, all right? And then we have 2 Tokyo sessions. We're going to add in and start changing this up a little bit. You guys will see next week, so it'll be very good. One thing that we're focusing on here, the Scalper Pro trades, you can see we're doing 100 people. There's, I think, about 27 opens left. Once that's available and taken, guys, this is going to be done. We're just doing a group of added 100, okay? So we can get a census of the trades for 2 or 3 months, and then we'll open it up maybe again depending on how many people stay and decide to go, okay? But guys, we have education here, membership. You can take just a brief walkthrough on the video, and you can go right there if you have any questions, okay? So watch gold, guys, right at that 200 EMA, okay? Still holding strong here, nice volume demand. All right, we're going to take a look. I like US. Now let's do Nasdaq, guys. Let's do Nasdaq today. Okay, we'll do Nasdaq going from the 4-hour. Okay, perfect. All right. Very weak volume. We have a nice wick here at the top holding support. Okay, so roughly 12,656. Okay, so we got some 4-hour support starting to hold. And then you can see just above here the resistance level on before the break. Nice resistance. Got some 4-hour here. Okay, one sec. Perfect. Okay, checking the time. We'll go down to the hourly now. Update this real quick. Okay, a little bit of hourly. Okay, resistance. I'm just going to keep these higher time frames. I'm going to drop to the 15. Coinbase down 14% pre-market is because of that bullshit news that I posted in the Discord, guys. I told you. They manipulate this shit like it's no problem. That's why I went off on the PAL. It's all rigged. Okay, in consolidation here. I'm still not seeing much movement, guys. Like there is little to no volume on Nasdaq or the Dow. Okay, look at the shitty volume price action here. Like this, horrible. We're talking about, 8-point candles here. All right, this is just garbage. If they go bullish, guys, like I said, they can still fill that volume. If we get rejected, we're at heavy supply. We can get into some sell pressure here. Okay, so sell buys. Let's go to the left. Okay, big selling pressure there. I'm going to keep that in mind. And we broke up hard. So let's watch and see, guys, where are our main points of interest. Okay, I see some nice buyers stepping in here. Okay, maybe make that a little tighter. And I see some nice selling pressure stepping in right around this level here. So the zone is our neutral zone. I'm waiting for price to get into one of these levels. Okay. You can see Dow still holding here. Look at GU rising. Look at gold printing too. God, piece of garbage, man. Beautiful move. There are some garbage people in this world, though. Gold's a bust. All right, let's watch. Okay, so we got about 15 minutes until that time. Let's get ready here. Right, and this is just going to be a sideways trading session until we get to these key levels. All right, so give me a sec. I think we can. There's one or two things that are going to happen here. Okay, I do think we are still bearish. Okay, personally. All right, I think we can probably push. All right, if we push into supply, obviously we're selling. If we push into demand, obviously look for those buying opportunities here. I do like the higher time frame. You can see this is a break of structure of higher time frame 4 hour. Okay, look at the week candles starting to print buying levels on. You can see Nasdaq. Okay, very weak. Selling volume is still very strong from up here. Okay, you can see that there is also another area of selling pressure just above. Okay, so we'll watch two key levels here getting ready to go. There's GU printing, there goes gold. Okay, so gold was the play of the day, absolutely. Demand level buys here. I would wait for gold to get to 1980 before doing anything, guys. Okay, personally, I would wait for gold to get to 1980. You can see here it's still heavy volume. Okay, and there we go, just coming in here. Okay. All right, let's watch the Dow here. Shab, you good, bro? All right. So same thing, take a peek here. Nice volume buys on Dow Jones. Okay, I see some nice zone level here. Okay, and watch the Dow Jones buys. Okay, possibly coming back up to our consolidation rate in here. Man, it's bad out here right now. Okay, that's what we're looking on the Dow. We'll watch and see how price is going to react coming in. And guys, just take a peek here. We do have one second here. Okay, 10 a.m. new home sales. I don't know why that said 8, guys. It was messed up. 10 a.m. USD new home sales. I can guarantee it. If this is green, I don't think it's the truth, because think about the banks, guys. There's no one lending money right now. New home sales. You might have the rich taking it over, but again, I still believe that the banks are not lending like they used to, and it's very obvious. No one wants to get involved in high interest rates. Okay, but whatever they do, you guys can see they do whatever they want regardless. Adam, what happened? Existing home sales were up. Yeah, that's what they say. Look at the Dow. The rich are buying crypto as well. Well, you're going to see a crypto sell-off today, guys. Like I do believe you're going to see a big sell on crypto. Okay, there's been the release of that news coming in. That Coinbase is in a little bit of trouble. Let's go back to Goldie here. Remember we told you 80. There it goes, guys. Look at this. Gold buys. Play of the day. Coming right back up to where the sell structure was. I would wait for that 1982, 1984. Okay. Right around in here. That's what I would personally be waiting for. What happened to Coinbase? They're saying there's some SEC bullshit regulation that we're not abided by and followed through with. But they just do that because they don't want to have the people to have the power. There it goes, 27.6. See? There it goes. I told you. It's going to continue, guys. Watch for 27. I could see 2,700 easily on BTC. And here we go. A few minutes left, guys, for that New York Open here. Let's take a look on this 30-minute candle real quick. Take a look at this volume, guys. Okay? Take a look at where we're at. Rejection here, resistance. Look at the volume. Okay? On the Dow, take a look. See that volume-based candle on the 30-minute? If it bounces here, guys, you can see a nice little continuation on the Dow. And let's go take a look at Nasdaq here too, starting to ride. I personally like the Dow better than Nasdaq, but again, watch and see. There's about 4 minutes and 22 seconds left. Okay. Let's watch the Dow, guys. I do find it a little bit better here. I know everyone wants to watch Nasdaq, but we can watch Nasdaq with alarms. Okay. We're not going to really be smashing entries right off the beginning anyways. Oil's pumping, gold is pumping, GU is pumping, the dollar is, where is it at? It's bouncing right back down into the previous level of demand. Okay, here's your second retest. See that long candle? Okay, if this breaks, guys, like I said, we can get back down to our 102 100 level. Okay, if it does hold, all right, you can see this is where we're going to get our bounce. Okay, so we got about 4 minutes. Get ready here. This is higher time frame demand. If they reject it here and push this back down, guys, we're in trouble. Okay? Watch your spread and commission right now, okay? It's definitely a time where they're going to see some erratic disruptions with the spread. Okay, your commission generally stays the same unless you have a floating commission, but just monitor those right now and sit back and watch maybe the first 5 minutes here. Okay, let's get everything set up here. All right. So at 10 a.m. news as well, guys. Practice proper risk. Okay, use small lot sizes, and if you're still new and you don't understand this, wait 5-10 minutes, guys. Okay, wait 5-10 minutes. Here's the push right now. Remember, we got to break through this clean wick rejection here. This is what we need to break through right here. Okay, let's make this as neutral, and we'll watch price. Oh, Nas, right at the beginning, guys. Here's 9 seconds left. Remember, this is that big resistance area. Okay. $30. Let's see what we got going on here. Buy level, 30-minute. It doesn't get much sweeter than this. The man zone here. That's it. Murder she wrote, guys. There you go. There's your pips. If you guys took them, yeah, I'll post my trade. I got 20 pips on that bad boy. That's 86 pips in running. 3 for 3, guys. Go tell your friends. Gold, GU. This is the Scalper Pro Live, guys. I can't mess this up anymore. You guys can go watch other streamers if you want all day. Go have fun. Now we watch. Okay, if you didn't take it, that's okay. All right, now you secure. Okay, now you secure. Okay, guys, did anyone grab this Dow buys here? Members, this was sent in Discord. Okay, if you guys did, congratulations. If you sat back and watched, that's okay. Werner, yes, bro, yes. Thank you, Werner, my man. Bro, finally, yes. Let's see Nasdaq here too. I didn't really know what's happening on Nasdaq. Nasdaq blue, guys. Nice break. Nice continuation here. Look at US 500 still running. Look at GU breaking. Look at gold rejection coming right back down. What made you take that? What made us take that trade? It was one, sent to the Discord, okay, and then two, my higher volume, higher time frame buying level on the Scalper Pro. And just keep in mind, okay, not only does this buy level indicate that we should be getting in. Thanks, Ron. First day in private Discord, earn $1,000 right away. Guys, look at Fungal. It says it right away. Okay. Take a peek here. Let's reset. Look at those, guys. Are you surprised? Okay. I drew this right before. See the level, resistance. Look at the buying volume. You know how gold says this right here. Okay. Was same thing buying level. We now have the same thing on the Dow. Buying level here. Okay. You just made your money back from the trade. Congratulations. That's awesome, guys. Okay, if we break this, this thing is gonna fly. All right. Okay, guys, so you can see Goldie's still at that little bit of a resistance level once before. I was just muted, guys. I just talked to the group for a second. Okay, DXY, there we go. Okay, so take a peek. Get ready for the resistance level on the DXY. You can still see another supply level here. Sorry, support. Okay, a little bit of demand, still holding. Let's watch and see more US 30 movement here. Okay. Okay, smash the leg. Yeah, you can see we have a nice admin who's a little bit territorial here. Hope we show Rob Mack that US 30 trade. I won't lie to you, man. I think it's 2 a.m. where Rob Mack is. I could show you his ticket that he hit like $500 within trading with us in an hour. 50 pips, I think it was, maybe 25, something like that. I don't think he really needs to be up. You know, give the guy a little bit of rest here, and he's good to go. All right. So, guys, we're coming in here. We're going to stay till about 10 a.m. Watch this news happen. What is better, Ron? Trailing stop or securing some profit, then stop loss on break even? I would personally, it depends on your style. If you're trading like the indices, move it to like break even or maybe 10-15 pips in profit, because you're going to get a lot of wicks. If your trailing stop loss is 5-10 pips, you're going to get hit with wicks. Okay, that's not bad because you're still trailing in profit, but I would definitely move a break even or even 5-10 pips in profit. I really only do break evens on pairs. Okay, if I'm in indices or whatever it is, I'm in and out. Like, I do not mess around. Okay, and generally my average personal take home with, and a lot of people can probably say the same thing, is about 5 to maybe 30 pips on indices. Okay, in and out. All right. So that's it, guys. Like I said, it's really hard. Okay, like for real, because you're asking these questions, but we don't know like your account. Okay, like we don't know if you have a large account where you can hold break evens and still lose commission, right? You can go into profits to lose commission. It's very hard for us to do this, because everyone is different. I have a guy in our group who he's got $2.5 million account. He never talks. He talks to me and Ron. That's it. And he just watches. And he slowly grows his account. Then I have guys, for example, one guy today he did I think $150 account. Very small. Very small. But he added $25 on that. 25 on a $150 account, guys. You guys can do the percentage back. That's huge. Right? And all he did was keep moving his stop loss to break even, break even, break even, in profit, in profit, in profit. It's all about managing your risk. This trade right here, okay? Yeah, it's all fun and green and we all look good, but I'm going to assume that maybe 30% of people maybe took this trade. Maybe 30%. All right. Now they're waiting to see what's going to happen on, the next couple candles leading into 10 a.m. All right. But again, when you can start to recognize price and you get better and you get more confident in yourself and you realize more risk is going to be the long-term game on this, you can start to enter in maybe market open. You're going to get whipped sometimes, and then you're going to have really good days. All right. But it's all about finding key levels here: demand, supply, all right, support and resistance, and waiting for these continued moves. And it also helps that we have a pretty good indicator that really helps measuring what we look for generally. Okay. So let's go take a look at gold here, guys. Share, you're up 1%. Amazing. And that's 16%. Yeah, 16% in one trade on a $150 account, guys. You guys can do the math. That's insane. So see gold on the 1 minutes. Overcome fear of pressing the buttons when good setups form. It's a good question. There is a webinar, okay, on FOMO and FOGI, okay? Fear of joining in, fear of missing out. All right, I highly suggest that you watch those in the back. You know, it's going to really help you. It's going to really help with maybe some psychology. All right. So watch gold here, guys, if it breaks. Okay, this thing can come back down on the 1 minutes. Okay. And there goes gold. Nasdaq. Okay, let's go take a peek. There goes the Dow. Nas is priming up. Oh, guys, you guys got me wet and excited here. Oh, shit. Look at that. Okay. You see here? All right. This, take a peek. It did hold true. Okay. You can see they broke it. They retested. This is where now supply, short-term resistance, because of it becomes a demand area. Okay. Why? Because they've broken through volume. Okay. They're holding here. Buyers have stepped in. If we saw Bookmap, you'd start to see the bids order stack. Okay. There would be stacking bids starting to go, and members, you could see the volume bubble starting to step in. Okay. And same with the Dow Jones. All right. Take a look at this. I really think that the Dow is going to get to at least these top wicks up here at 32,250. Okay, so let's see if that thing's going to follow through. We need closure above here, okay? We need the closure above here for the continuation. Okay, gold is holding at a key level here. And Dow is retesting, okay? If you miss this trade, guys, this is not like, okay, I always say this. Don't buy at the highs, and then the volume, all right, goes. It does. I've seen it happen. This happens all the time on this type of instrument, being an indice. You know, you don't want to get in the habit of that, but I personally have seen this start to rise even if you buy at a peak and a point like this, because the volume is still strong. This is like when you have Bookmap, it makes it so much easier to show you live. That's why next week, okay, when everything is ready to go, all right, I want to show you the bid orders start to take over here, all right? And what that means is, you know, they probably had some pending orders that were being triggered right at the resistance here. They got triggered, they secured, okay? Then all of a sudden, you know, you're going to start to see the green volume step up. If you guys are not familiar with Bookmap or order flow, okay, all it measures is live, I guess you could say, liquidity, all right? It's a good term to get to know, all right? You know, there's footprint, there's this, there's that about it. It is what it is, okay? But you also need to understand price action with structure, okay? Because if you've heard of spoofing and pulling the rugs, all right, it's something that happens quite often with just looking at order flow, I guess you could say, platforms, Okay. So here we go, guys. I'm just trying to burn time until 10 a.m. All right. I don't really think if you guys followed along just with $1 today, all right, you know, you could have made potentially 20 bucks on the buy here, and if you caught the sell, you could have made at least 20. Gold, you could have made at least 20 on each buy and sell. Like, guys, it's been very fun working this with you and watching price continue in the directions that you know we're pre-planning. Okay. Any thoughts on gold? I'm gonna wait until 10 a.m. All right, you guys got to understand. You want to wait patiently for news to happen. You get one volume influx, all right, and then you're going to get profit taking, and then they're either going to push the next leg up, because we don't know if these home sales are going to be true or not. Like we all saw yesterday that the market was pumping, everyone was happy, you know, but then the big whales came in, all right, and when the whales came in, they destroyed every single buyer that was in that market. All right, and let's just maybe recap what I mean by that. So, how many of you guys were trading FOMC yesterday? My guys, I know you guys were a lot. Okay, so here, 2:15. All right, right around in this time. Okay, you have Mr. Powell, all happy-go-lucky, all right? He's like saying that the banks are fine. Yes, great. You know, everyone's believing him. You have, I guess you could say, what is called retail pumping up the market, okay? And then you have the big guys like, hey, guys, I'm about to make a shit ton of money by shorting, right? Because they know everyone's going to buy. They love Powell and stuff like that. And, you know, great. But what happens now when they realize the actual true numbers are not actually what they say they are? That's when you get profit taking. And if you watched on Bookmap too, okay, I saw the bid orders get stacked live with Ron. Okay, I saw it, and it was amazing to watch how the liquidity was following price action, order flow. All right. Then all of a sudden, what happens? Then you have the big players taking in. You have the profit taking happening. If you're being a bag holder up here, then you have institutions. Okay, and when those institutions come in, you see they destroyed every buying position that happened since March 20th. So 3 days of buyers, everyone's good. If you didn't take it during news, you can see it's being destroyed. All right. And just to let you guys know, okay, just to let you know, all right, it was all sells yesterday. And this is not a reprint. I can take a screenshot from yesterday. I have it. Everything was selling pressure from yesterday, all right? Then you have buyers down in here in liquidity. Then you have the sellers taking over control here. And then the buyers retesting that same level on the 30 minutes showing continuation. All right, and let's take a look now. Let's erase. And you can see what's happening on the Dow Jones, still rising. All right, so a few minutes here. There's 10 minutes now, all right, until that 10 a.m. news. Okay, gold wants to pop. Let's go take a look at gold. Okay, oil really made a move. Look at this, guys. Back in the 70s. I like it. I do and I don't, because there's no more cheap gas. You're going to start to see gas probably rise a bit. Gold is rising. Let's go take a look at it, guys. Look at Nasdaq too. The Dow is starting to print. Ooh, guys, look at this. Cheap gas, go to Dubai. I have a reserve right around my place. I filled up my F-150 as I told you guys. It was at 113. Okay, I filled my big truck up for 120 bucks. Guys, I haven't done that in so long. That was better than me hitting a 50 pip trade. That right there, getting cheap gas. That's what I look forward to every single week when I go fill up this truck. You guys have no idea. Also, guys, how many people have looked at getting into an electric truck or car? I will say that the new Ford F-150 electric is sexy, okay? I think it does. I don't know if it has the pickup or the long term, but it is nice. All right, John, it's got about a 20-inch lift on it. Some big, nice big rims and wheels. I don't like sports cars, guys. I can't fit in one. I'll send a pic to the group for sure. Absolutely. Guys, so look, this is another thing. Guys, crazy how important it is to watch supply and demand. Look, you can see how far they took the price of gold. They took it up to 1984, and they're still coming to it now. If you guys really caught that gold, guys, like, so you should be so proud of yourself. You have no idea. Like, that was the sexiest buy that I have seen on gold in a long time, and it was very, very obvious coming out of the sells. And it just goes to show you, remember, those groups, just stay away, man, because they are telling, I can show you screenshots right now. They're saying add sells, and they're getting wrecked hard. All right, if you guys are holding that account, it's $100 deposit to get into that guy's group. Okay, that $100 is fucking gone. It's gone, guys. And I know what's going to happen. He's going to say you need to refill it to get back in. It's just be careful, those guys. What do I think about ICT strategies? I think they're good. I think the guy on YouTube is great. I think he's phenomenal, actually. But again, you can see we're doing the same shit kind of here. Okay. The DXY is still ranging around, nothing much happening here. And there goes the dirty. The price surge in electricity is crazy. Guys, absolutely. They're saying that they're trying to, I believe in saving the environment. Personally, I do. My dog has to breathe it. I have to breathe it. We all have to breathe it. Okay? Let me tell you something. If you think they're doing electric cars just to save the environment, I think you're wrong. Okay? I know who controls electricity. Who controls it all? Totally green in the week. Isaac, my man. Guys, who controls electricity here? Who's in control, right? My buddy, he just bought a new house in Toronto, okay? Let me tell you something. Nothing goes for Toronto under $1 million. Easy, okay? It didn't have the one area didn't have a 200 amp service. So now he needs to install a bigger service to control his electricity for the car. Okay? Fantastic. That's $5,000 to $7,000. Okay? So these electricity companies, they're making bank on that. But then who runs the power grid? Who pays their electricity bill each month? Who do you pay it to? You know what I mean? I personally don't think that it is going to be cheaper. It could be totally wrong, what I'm saying here. But I'm telling you, when everyone goes electric, they are going to jack the prices up. And you know what's best? They're not going to give us more money. No. They don't do that anymore. They give you CERB, and then they take this fist and they shove it back right in you. That's what they do when they give you CERB. They're going to do the same thing when they do all this electric regulated stuff. Okay? Not going to give us any more raises, not going to give us any more wage increases, not going to do shit. They're just going to keep raising prices until basically you're going to have to go on public transit or you're going to have to do something else. That's honestly what I personally believe. Transmission fees, exactly. I don't know why Canada is so expensive. Buddy, you're speaking my language now. Okay? Canada, everyone wants to live in Canada. All right? It's great. Solar panels, I think that's a genius idea. That's the one thing that could save it. You're right, 100%, bro. 100%. Canada, guys, oh my goodness. If I could tell you how much, it is a beautiful country, but it is crazy taxed. It's almost like Germany. It's insane, you know, insane. Except for Saskatoon and maybe Alberta. Yeah, you guys are legit. In Ontario, no, you got. Oh, I got to be careful what I say. Bro talks about the electric fist. There goes gold, guys. Look at this thing. Is citizenship required to live in Canada? Yeah, to buy a house, absolutely. You can come here on probably a green card, but they will probably just let you in, man. They let anyone in. You got your first grazer and you moved to Burlington? Yeah, bro. JL, I can show you my. I don't have any of that gray left. It's smooth sailing over here. I've never been to Bangkok, Thailand, but I really, really would like to go. It's not crazy tax. I lived 15 years in Ontario. Yeah. I mean that in like I said, I don't know what people make or whatever it is, but the more you make, the more babies you have, the more this, the more that, the more you get taxed, man. It's just the way it is. All right. All right. It's worse than it was 25 years ago. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, guys. News in 2 minutes. Let's all have some fun now. All right. You also live in Ontario. It's ridiculous. Absolutely. So you guys can feel me here. So awesome. All right. Guys, let's watch the Dow here, see what happens. I would love to see a potential reversal and then a continuation. I think gold is at a very high point as well. Okay, like look at gold. We're going to probably 1990 here. The daily is 1988. So let's just take a peek on gold, guys. Adam, congratulations. That's big, man. Passing phase one. You took all the trades too. That's phenomenal, bro. Okay, so we have 2 seconds, guys. Let's watch and see. Gold is flying. Let's see the big news. Oh, wait, are you in London, Ontario? Look at GU breaking down. Look at the Dow here still holding. Oh, UK. That's a possibility. Let's go down Nasdaq. What are we saying here? Oh, guys, take a look. We have the meats, guys. Okay, we have the liquidity to push. Okay, that we have the momentum from the news. All right, let's watch and see what's going to happen. GU's holding. There goes Goldie. What a move, guys. Oh my God. What a move on gold. Okay, so that's saying selling right now, but this is with news. Okay. This is with news here. So watch and see. It's selling into supply. It's saying sell into our supply area. Okay. Let's just watch and see what's going to happen here. Watch this level right here. If you break that, it's coming back down. Don't enter in just right now. Let's see if that thing's going to take control. I do believe that it's still bullish personally. Okay. But again, we're in some supply. I just want to see how this is going to come into play here. The volume can negate this, which means it can have a false signal. All right. You get these all the time. That's why you got to watch specific price to be able to get into it. All right. Just remember 1983, 1984, 85 area. All right, Vic laughs in Vancouver. I don't even want to talk about Vancouver. You got everyone beat. A trailer in Vancouver is $1.5 million. It's no joke. Ian, for real, go look it up. No, I'm not. I'm done for the day, guys. I just would like to see how this is going to play out. Okay. Yeah, 2.5. You just look it up, guys. Look up Vancouver. You'll see it's unbelievable. It's like Toronto. It's worse than Toronto. Honestly, it is. Watch the breakdown here on gold, guys. It might have a little impulsive push. We might tap our 1990, okay? But watch and see. We're at a heavy supply area already. All right? So see what I mean? '18, 1983, just remember. Oh yeah, Tassos. I got a lot of people saying they're selling here. And this, guys, in this instance, let's ask you, what would you guys do? Buy or sell? I'd wait for this candle to close, and then I want to see if the supply is going to kick in. All right. Look at the DXY, guys. See this? Guys, you're learning. You're learning with me. This is what I like to see. This in the Zoom is what I like to see. Okay? This is not impulsively entering. This is patiently waiting. Okay? Wait for the candle to close. Remember, we just had a crazy burst of buying volume. All right? Watch the reversal now. I think it can get back down to maybe at least 1980. Okay, right down in here. And then we're going to watch the support, because take a look to the left. See how it's resistance here? Resistance. This could act as our support level now. Okay? There's US 30. It actually made it a nice little push. Okay, fighting buying volume. This is where I told you Bookmap comes in so handy, because you can see the ask and bid. You can see them influxing market liquidity here. Okay, that's why having something like an order flow platform is so important. Okay, that's why I really want to show you this live next week when we're trading this. Okay, and let's see if this thing's actually going to fall. Isaac, I don't have it. I closed it down, honestly. I kept it for the first 15 minutes. I just wanted to trade based on this scalper. Sorry, bro. That's my bad. I'll keep it up. I'll promise next time. Okay? Aaron, I don't have an oil chart marked up. No, not right now. What do I think about 72 on oil today? I definitely think that there's possibility for oil to get there. I don't like the way that oil, I don't like where it is right now. Okay? Because oil, for me, is in an indecision area. It's right at the 50. Like on RSI, I would really like to see some conditions where it's overbought and oversold. And I haven't really been scalping oil or trading oil as of late. All right. It burned me with one trade, and I just kind of wanted to stay away from it. It is really nice at times when you can understand buying the dips and things, but I've taken a little bit of a step back, and that's why you guys haven't seen too much of a continuation with oil being sent, right? But again, that's why we're doing more FX pairs. Oil was really good for some people, but again, there's a lot of people who they can't even withstand the spreads. You know what I mean? But I know there's a lot of people doing well in it, right? But again, what I choose to do, you guys, if you guys are banking on it, just guys ride it out. You know, why quit something that you're good at, right? Okay, so DXY guys is starting to hold. Isaac, yeah, we do. It's in the affiliates, but if you send us an email, man, we'll get you. We need to work something out with them, anyways. Okay, if they want us to stay with them, because there is another platform that is knocking down my door. All right. Guys, listen, you can see gold is at that indecision stage. Okay, if we go bullish on gold, all right, I definitely think we can get to 1990. All right, 1988 is resistance level here. No, Jay Robertson, just not right now. Just not right now. Oil will still come to play. It's just right now is not the time for me to look at it, just because we focused on so many other instruments. EU, GU, Nasdaq, gold, this, you know, there's too many complaints about me switching, going back and forth, you know what I mean? So GU's breaking down. There we go, okay. Okay, guys, you know what? I want to stay here as much as I can, but watch the breakdowns on GBPUSD. Dow is still rising, okay? They gave us the premium one, like the best one, okay, just to work with them. But I need to work something out where the members get more of a discount. Okay, that's what I said. If you just give me a couple days, let me speak to them, because it's not cheap and it's hard to navigate with. Okay, so if you want to grab it now, you can see how you like it, and then let me know. Okay, my goal is to get it cheaper for our guys. Okay, it needs to be done. Okay, guys. All right. With that being said, we're gonna end the call here. Okay. I hope everyone had a good session. Like I said, I just wanted to watch till 10 the news. The Dow is tapping TP at that level. Okay, and you know what a crazy buy. All right. So how would you get involved with this trade? Okay. You see how we broke level here, and see how it held support. Remember we said don't buy at the highs. See how there's resistance here? This now holds as a support level. Okay. If you guys caught gold, GU, Dow, whatever it is, 3 for 3 for the stream, that's pretty good. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna start showing stats. Okay. Not any like Google Docs bullshit. We actually have a journal coming here that we're gonna show you guys our win rate, different things like this, so you can see full on how we trade. Okay. Now, guys, if you missed anything here and you want to check out what we did, please review the video. Okay. Why did we take these Dow buys? I will tell you why. Okay. We are in a demand zone on the higher time frame. I have our buy level coming in from here based on our strategy, the SST Scalper Pro. And if you guys did just take the buys on that, you would be running a total of 200 pips. That single buy right there could have paid for basically a 3 to 6 month program with us. And that's not only with this. We hit GU, we hit EU, we hit gold. Okay, so if you guys are wondering what we're doing, this is our main focus. We teach order flow, live liquidity, live price action, support and resistance, all into one. If you guys would like to join, I want you to do one thing before we before we bounce. I want you to follow us on Instagram, guys, okay? The reason why I'm doing this is because we make updates in our Telegram channel and our Instagram threads, okay? Or sorry, Instagram feed. So any changes will be posted on that, okay? Our goal is to get to 10K, all right, by like the end of the month, or sorry, the end of next month, all right? So that's why we're putting a bit of a press and push on it. All right, don't follow any of these scammers here. We will never reach out to you. We will never try to ask for money. We don't need it. We don't want it. Don't fall for that bullshit, okay? There's a lot of scammers trying to be us. This is it. 7,000. We don't have 40, 50,000 like people buy all the time. This is organic, okay? Lastly, okay, we want to go over one more thing. Guys, if you want to join with us, okay, there's two programs, okay? We have our monthly, okay, which is courses, live webinars, mentorship, interaction in Discord, good community, people helping people. This is what you want to be a part of. I can show you tons of screenshots of good positive stuff and people having bad days and people helping people trying to get out of their funk, okay? It's a very good program to be in with the lives, okay? You get with that 5 Londons, okay, 5 New Yorks, which you get live on YouTube anyways, and then you get 5 post New Yorks, and then you get your post nighttime sessions with webinars. All right, guys, I told you there's 100 people only getting involved in this for 29 bucks. Once it's done, you're going to see this pulled off the thing, okay? So if you want to be a part of this consensus, which we're going to launch our trade win rates and everything like that, that's why we're getting your feedback, then you can join up for 29 bucks right now, okay? So I don't want to stay in this. It's not a sales thing. It is what it is. If you guys want to do it, great. If not, you guys can join us on YouTube, okay? There is a delay. You get live time here. And just to show you guys, I will post that we sent this by 5 minutes before the stream, 5 minutes before the market open happened in our Discord, and it ran currently 150 pips. All I did was follow the buy signal that we sent from our Discord and live, and you can see how it played out. All right, so with that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. All right, do not get greedy when you're trading. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll update you with any updates we have in our free FX group, our Instagram channels. All right, God bless you guys. Have a good day. I hope you made good percentages. If not, back test your wrongdoings and come together ready for tomorrow or Monday. All right, God bless, guys. Later. Guys, we destroyed that session. Like there's no trade went wrong. Like, if you guys,
hey guys, good morning,
follow
welcome
our
to the live
stuff,
session with Stocksnipertrading.
okay?
My name
I'm
is
going
Dave,
to
guys,
do
my
it
partner's
next
Ron.
week at
Let's
$1
get down
a
to
lot. I'm
business
going
here,
to
guys.
take every single
in on
trade,
US
and I will
30.
show
Sell.
you at the end of the
Okay?
week.
I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a
what
100
you
pip
can
drop.
make. I will
Yes,
do
we
$1.
caught it. Hey, guys,
Not 10,
200
not
pips,
20,
please.
not a million.
Secure it.
$1. Okay, $1, and I will show you what $1 can make you at the end of the week. Okay?
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, Refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.